Hello, my name is Madeline Martin. I'm a student physical therapist here at UAMS. Is it okay if I work with you today?
Yes.
All right. What is your name and your date of birth?
Luke, September 7th, 2001.
All right, Luke. So what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to be using my stethoscope to listen to your heart. I'm just going to place the end of the stethoscope on multiple parts of your chest to listen to multiple parts of your heart. Does that sound good to you?
Yes.
All right. So let me go ahead and wash my hands before we begin. Alright, so are you comfortable taking off your shirt? Just allows a little bit less interference between the clothing and the stethoscope so I can hear a little bit better. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take that off. And before we begin, is it okay if I touch various parts, bony prominences on your chest, just to kind of find the area I need to put the stethoscope?
Yes.
Okay. So to begin, I'm going to find the sternal notch here, or the jugular notch. We're going to come down and find the sternal angle. And then from there, I'm going to go to the right, and we're going to find the second rib, and from there down into the second intercostal space, still up against the sternum. That will allow me to hear the aorta. All right, Luke, you just relax. And from there, I'm going to come over, still find that sternal angle. Then we're going to come over and find the second rib on the left side and get into that second intercostal space, which will let me hear the pulmonary trunk. Okay, good. Then from there, we're going to come down. I'm on this third rib here. We're going to come down and find the fourth rib and the fifth rib and go in between and find the fourth intercostal space. And that will allow me to hear the tricuspid valve. Okay, good. Then from there, let's find this fifth rib. We're going to come down into the fifth intercostal space and we're going to go mid-clavicular here. I'm just going to come right underneath, okay? Alright, good. Alright. And that concludes that. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Alright, thank you for letting me work with you today, Luke. I'm just going to wash my hands. And you can go ahead and put your shirt back